Hey guys, how are you? 10-minute updates, silver, gold, platinum, and what is it? Palladium. Yeah, what a day. What a Friday this has been. And yeah, stepping forward from yesterday, we said here, once we start to break, right around there, we have the channel, right? We were bouncing a few times, winding up here, green bull flag broken, breakout, boom. And yes, we're gonna see 40. The move here is set to 40. Maybe 42, depending on how, strong things are. But again, something like this, again, 40 is right here. So makes perfect sense. What a day for gold, excuse me, silver. This has been up 3.6% on the spot price. I assume more on the futures. But again, nonetheless, good breakout, a lot of energy. Perfect, perfect. So yeah, 40. We should hit 40. We should hit 40 next week. And we will do gold as well. Beautiful gold here. This is 3 month time frame. I mean, you have 3 month worth of data, and my view hasn't changed, right? We have the big wedge here, right? We're gonna tag it there, we're gonna pull back, and boom, then we go. And then we have a measured move that calls for 3.6K all the way to 4K. And yeah, this is still my path. And today we broke. We broke the blue guy. There it is, the blue guy, right? Head, shoulder, head, blue guy. Measuring, we should measure the top or the measured move that is being generated. It's a 4% move here in the short term, which takes us to 3,500-ish, which is the previous all-time high as well. Right there, you can see almost. So yeah, gold, fantastic breakout today. Nothing negative to mention. We are seeing what we expect. And hopefully, again, we tag here roughly 3,430. We pull back a few bucks and then boom, we go higher for gold. I will quickly show you the gold and silver ratio, even though we don't do it here. I think it has begun. The big move down in favor of silver compared to gold, in favor of platinum compared to gold, and even more so, miners over silver and gold. Yes, miners. That is for different, that's for a different recording for the stop stack, which I will do after this because we're getting signals left and right. The REMX video from yesterday, we had 5 stocks that was like focus, and more or less every one of these are blasting. Plus the gold and silver stocks from yesterday, the entries, beautiful. We are in a precious metals miners bull market. Perfect. Perfect, perfect. So, and the only thing that can negate that, again, we're really bullish on miners if we're gonna break back above roughly these levels here. Then different story. But for now, it's nice. It's really good. Okay. Ooh, 7% on. Wow, yeah. Wow. 7% on Palladium here. And the neckline, we have actually broken through the neckline. Very powerful. The neckline being right here, we have a bit of a weird head and shoulders in the making there, and we're breaking above. And yesterday we talked about, you can see here, yesterday we actually, right, we broke out and we closed right around here. And today we have just been hammering 7%, and we are breaking every channel to the upside. That is always bullish when you have an upsloping channel and you break that to the upside. Again, then you get a change in momentum. And that is what we saw today with 7% on Palladium. So yeah, heavily bullish still on Palladium. And with this here, again, we might pause here for some time. That is very often seen. But again, once we start to confirm and break the neckline, which we have done, but again, once we start to really get going, the target will be 1,900 on Palladium. Good old platinum here, also incredible. Remember here, this was where we said platinum is going to blast to the upside. And so it did. And we have way higher targets, two, three, $4,000 down the road, even more. It's going to be a big one here. And the 2 hourly time frame, right? The 2 hourly, this was this morning here, we had this little wedge going on here, which was made yesterday. And yeah, we were saying that, hey, we are breaking the green here, right? This was happening on, yeah, yesterday. And we said we're going to go to the yellow, right? And so we did. Overperformance there. Typically, we see a bit of a pullback here, but we didn't see that here. So yeah, platinum looks great. As long as we can stay above the yellow here, that is, you know, very bullish because we're going to see even more so 1,500 in the making. And then if we can break the golden rail, we could see 16, 1700 rather quickly. Rather quickly that can happen. So yeah, long term, mid-term, short-term, bullish on gold, silver, platinum, palladium, and very bearish for now on the gold and silver ratio, which is extremely good for miners. And you're seeing, you can see miners here today. We're gonna do green, 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 green across the board. Same from yesterday. So yeah, check out the video from yesterday again with the entries on some of these silver stocks. They are running now. So again, I think in like a week or two, the risk reward is gone for now, and then we wait for another entry. I have nothing more, guys. Have an amazing day. Cheers.